guys, Clay with 505 Motorsports. You know, we do a lot of instructional videos on our channel. Sometimes we just get some inventory that we want to highlight. We want to point out to you guys that there's a reason why we put these videos on, and this is one of those trucks. So with COVID going on, a lot of the manufacturers have actually shut down. So you're seeing the major Chevys, Dodges, Rams, Fords. There's a shortage of those trucks on the new car lots. Well, what that is doing is putting an emphasis on really nice, clean, used vehicles. This is a beautiful 2015 Chevy 2500. This is a Duramax Diesel Allison transmission. This has the high country package, which is a pretty high up there package with all the leather, bells, whistles, navigation, lane departure warning, collision warning. So this truck has it all. So we're going to delve into this truck and we're going to show you why this would be a good truck for you to own. So if you dig cars like I do, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. So here we have a great example of a 2015 Chevy 2500 Duramax Diesel. They're super hard to come by in the used marketplace. This is a one owner, no accidents, was sold brand new in Farmington, New Mexico. Sold right here at Webb Chevrolet. Complete stock. So this is factory stock, no modifications to the engine. We're just going to do a little walk around highlighting some stuff. This is the high country package. So this is about as high a package as you can get. Has beautiful interior. Chrome is perfect. On the grill, you'll notice we can do a little touch-up work, but there's some little rock chips. I mean, you would expect this. This truck has 55,000 miles on it. So if it was new, you could expect to pay $75,000. We're asking $52,900 on this. Wheels are perfect, no curb rash. These are good tires. This is the second set of tires that's been on the truck. Running boards. The flip tonneau cover. This has a BMW hitch. So this does have the capability of pulling your travel trailers. Backup sensors. This truck has the technology package, so you do have lane departure. You do have the collision avoidance package. But you can see this beautiful interior. It's got the white piping around the seats. Carpet, I don't think anybody's ever even been back here. You have the fold down armrest in the back seat. Bose sound system. The seats are absolutely perfect. No rips, no tears. There's not even tears where you slide in and out of it. You have the multi-function seats, about an 8-way power seat, both sides. High country stitching in the seats. You have OnStar system here. No sunroof in this one would be the only thing. You do have navigation. You do have all of your heated seats, air conditioned seats, 2-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low. Your trailer gain, so this has built-in trailer towing package, and obviously all of your controls on the steering wheel, which you would access all of your menus, adjustments, running boards. Hard to find. We have this one available for immediate sale. Check it out on our website, 505motorsports.com.